In New Zealand, railway stations are turning passive concrete structures into quiet gardeners. Some station pillars now contain hidden seed vaults, small compartments filled with native wildflower seeds, tucked within the concrete. These aren't just sealed containers, but cleverly designed to interact with nature. Tiny wind holes are drilled at specific angles, allowing gusts to draw out and scatter the seeds over time. A few seeds drift out and settle into natural cracks and crevices around the station. With rainfall and sunlight, these seeds take root, sprouting into colorful bursts of wildflowers along tracksides and platforms. This low-maintenance, slow-release planting method requires no gardeners, no watering systems, and no fertilizers. It's nature helping nature, engineered subtly into infrastructure. They attract bees and butterflies, reduce dust, and soften the industrial look of rail corridors. Passengers waiting for trains often find themselves surrounded by blooming walls or colorful blooms peeking from the pavement. A moment of calm amid the rush. This initiative has sparked conversations about how even the most mundane infrastructure can be rethought as active participants in the ecosystem. Instead of seeing cracks in concrete as decay, they are reimagined as miniature meadows. With minimal cost and quiet impact, New Zealand's seed vault pillars stand as a poetic example of design that listens to the wind.